Hey everyone, now we are going to unbox these two parcels. So let's first open with this white cover. So let me drag. Okay. And that's all inside. So here we have some packaging. Okay. All sides sealed with like pins, stapler pins. So let's open those. So we remove those pins. Let's take a look. So here we have the banknotes. You can see this is a 5 rupee and the condition is UNC, a very good looking UNC condition. So let me show you inside. Okay, here also some taping and stickers. So let's open now. Okay, and let's check this 5 rupees first. And this is a, you can see the watermark clearly, Ashoka emblem, and you can see the serial 993026. This is a very good looking UNC condition, sooner for sale on our website. If you want, you can check the link in profile and YouTube profile and bio, Insta bio. So let it be there. And here we have another 100 rupees of signature S Jagannathan. You can see the governor signature S Jagannathan, and this is something written but in a very good condition, not bad but also in a good condition. So sooner these two currency notes are for sale on our website. And let's open the next one. We have a small packaging, so let it be there. So let's open this. Okay, I think here is the opening, not sure. Bit of ID is hot to know. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me set. So let's do this. Okay, we done the next layer. So let's open this. Actually, this parcel is from a like nearby location. I have purchased through an auction, like bidding. I got the best offer for the auction, so took this lot. So let's open this box also. Yeah. Okay, so inside we go. We have found some papers like newspaper bundles, and inside we have that's all. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, here we have another layer. So here's the packaging. Here also we have some stapler pins. Okay, so let's see what we have. And as you can see, this is a 10 paise coin of 1974, I think so. Let me see in the other coin. The year is not visible. Yes, I think yes, 1974. And these are commemorative coins but in used condition. So used condition commemorative coins sooner for sale on our website. So let's count as usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, we got 50 coins. So this is what I won in the auction. So you can see all are used condition but not much more much like not too bad. So that's all guys, today we unboxed these two parcels. We have got two banknotes, that is one is 5 rupee and another 100 rupee, and few commemorative used coins of 10 paise. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.